this life and all this time. Oh, I wanna make the most of mine, and I can't waste time. I don't wanna waste time. Oh, all this moment, I wish I could just hold it. Oh, today is gone forever, tomorrow is not a moment. Oh yeah, living for the future make you have anxiety. Yeah, living the past make you depressed, and depression, no, you will see. Yeah. Hold on this moment and you lose your future. Hold on the past and you never see this moment. Live for the future and you'll never see now. Hold on, so all this time and all this moment, yeah. I wanna make the most of mine. I don't wanna waste my time. Yeah. The clock is ticking away, the time is moving fast and moving forward. Hey, after this day, you're gonna see all this replay. In this moment, yes, you can't press pause nor replay. Yeah, that's how life goes and that's how life stay. You just gotta make it right and don't make no mistake. All these things, yes, just can't be fixed and never be replaced. Now I see, I gotta make the right way. I gotta do it for me. And I, yes, I see, gotta live this life, yeah. I gotta help my friends and my family. And now I see that this moment is forever for me. All this time and all the moments, make the most of mine. And I don't wanna waste my time. Yeah. Life is for you and life is for me. This moment is for you and it's also for me. So live this life, it's never gonna be endlessly. Time is running out and it's finite. I hope you can see it's right now.